So I have everything laid in front of me, and now let me show you everything. So first up, we have this beauty blenders. This is the vegan version. It's a plant-based one, and this one is a color changing one. And I think I'm going to start by trying out this one, and then we are going to go ahead and apply base. And I got three things for base. The first one is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. I have been chasing this for a really long time. I have tried looking for this at several airports and they never have my shade. My shade is 5.75 and I figured out my shade in person, so it was great. And I also picked up this makeup for HD skin. They had this advertised everywhere and especially at Sephora, and I really love the Makeup Forever foundation that I have. I remembered my shade, which was Y415, and I hope it still matches me. I didn't really match this. I just picked it up at the end when you pay everything, and it was just there, and I didn't want to buy the full size, and this was the half size, and there was a really long queue, so I didn't want to get out of the queue and go try my shade, and I really hope that matches me. And then the last one that I got for foundation is the Kat Von D Good Apple foundation. This is the foundation balm that I've been seeing everywhere, and I also got this matched on my skin. It says Tan 057 is my shade, and I really hope I'm still the same shade because I really remember getting sunburned in Dubai, and we went to Sephora on my last days. So I think out of all of this, because it's so hot, I don't want to try this. I would save this for like a full coverage look. I think I'm really excited to try the Luminous Silk because I have chased this for so long, and it's also a very lightweight foundation. So let's go ahead and try this. I am so excited to try this. So I've taken like 3 pumps of it. I think the shade looks really nice, and I like to just take it onto a brush first, massage this onto my skin. It's really lightweight. I feel like the color is a bit cool toned. I don't know. It looked alright in Sephora. Actually, honestly, once I blend it, it's not bad. It matches really well with the color of my neck. But the formula is really nice. And then for concealer, I also got this Good Apple concealer in the shade medium 149. So let's try that. This is pretty heavy coverage, so I'm just going to take very little off it. Formula is really nice. Oh my god, that is so nice. I'm obsessed. Look at that finish. They really need to come to India soon. For powder, I got the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte Universal Blotting Powder. I was really excited to try this because I went there with super oily face, and I remember the salesperson trying it on my face and blotting the oil, and it just was such a beautiful finish. So I'm just going to try that with this puff. It's taken just a little bit. It's so nice and lightweight. Look at that finish. It's so nice. And I really thought that this would leave a white cast, but it just goes absolutely invisible on the skin. And it's also very lightweight, and I've taken very little on the puff. And it's literally making my skin seamless. So nice. I'm so glad I got this. Okay, up next I have these 3 things from Rare Beauty that I was the most excited to pick up. I was literally going mad at the Rare Beauty counter. So we've got this Positive Light Liquid Luminizer. Then we have the Stay Vulnerable Melting Blush in Nearly Neutral. And we also have the Soft Pinch Matte Liquid Blush in Grace. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is so pretty. I do not want to touch this. Nearly Neutral. I know I'm gonna wear this a lot. Grace actually looked really purple when I saw it online, but then I tried it in person and it was so beautiful. It was so hard for me to not buy more. I really had to stop myself because I'd already picked up so many more things, but this is so intensely pigmented, and half the things were also sold out, like the shades that I was actually looking for, but thankfully I got these. And I'm so confused which one I should try. I think I'm gonna try these two together. This is Grace and we have Flaunt, the Luminizer, and maybe mix them together. They also had Luminous blushes which had a little bit of highlighter in them already, but then I thought of buying a matte blush which I could use matte and then also get this and use both of them together and have it luminous. And also I'm not touching this because it looks so pretty. So we're just gonna apply a little bit of this, just 2 drops. Oh man, this is pigmented. And maybe 1 drop of this. Packaging is so nice. This should be enough for now, but we'll find out. I haven't actually used the beauty blender. I really have been enjoying using brushes. I feel like I get a better... I should have taken 1 drop of the blush. This is too pigmented. Might need the beauty blender to kind of ease it off. But the color is really nice. That's a beautiful color. Shouldn't have taken so much. But at least you get to see how pigmented this is. I'm just taking it onto my eyes now. What to do? I think that's nicely blended. We can make this like a nice blushy look. So pretty. To balance it, maybe I'll take 2 dots here as well. It's a small one. That highlighter is so nice. It's such a nice cushiony formula that just blends so well. I've done such a good job. I also wanted to pick up the eyeliner. It was out of stock. Man, I'm pink. I'm really pink. I guess this is going to be a pink look. Should I take it on my nose? And then I'm going to use the sponge to blend it out. It's a cute summery look. This is the most amount of blush I've ever used. I'm actually going to take this brush which had a little bit of foundation to kind of tame it down. For mascara, I have these two. This one's from LANCôME and we have this L'Oreal one. This has actually already launched in India. So I'm going to try the LANCôME one. This is the L'Oreal Air Volume, but this is the non-waterproof version. And then we have the Hypnôse set. I actually picked this up at duty free, both of them. I don't think I picked up any mascara at Sephora. I did pick up this set of lashes, which I will save for like another look. This is the Lilly 3D Mink lash. I have the Hypnôse and the Hypnôse Drama. So I think I'm gonna use Hypnôse Drama because apparently this will give you more volume than Hypnôse, and I want that. So this one has like a nice bendy wand. So just going to go ahead and use that. I've heard so much about these LANCôME mascaras, but I've never really tried it myself before. Actually really nice. This is just 1 coat. That's actually really nice. Quite separating and gives me the volume as well. I'm actually very scared of picking up expensive mascaras because I'm so fond of like my L'Oreal and Maybelline ones. I think the mascara looks great. I also used it to brush up my eyebrow hair, and I'm going to take a little bit more of the highlighter and apply it onto my eyes because we have a little bit of the blush in there as well. So apply it on the inner corner. I think it'll look really nice and natural. I love the wet look it has. And for lips, I only picked up 1 lipstick. I also got this Tom Ford lipstick free. This is a sample. I'm going to show you the color. It's not really nice. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in Fenty Glow 01. It's a very natural nude lip color, which I think is perfect for this look. It's just a My Lips but better color. So nice. Not too heavy, looks so pretty. I don't like the smell. Smells like a cough syrup. Otherwise really pretty. I am going to quickly go ahead and do my hair because I have a hair product that I picked up and I really want to try. And we're actually almost at the end of this haul. So for my hair, I am going to try this Gisou honey infused hair oil. I have heard really good things about this, and after I picked this up, I also felt like I should have picked up the hair perfume, but oh well. Just taking like 2 to 3 drops of this. It's quite viscous, and just massaging it onto the palms and hoping it tames my frizz. It smells pretty floral and it's not too strong, but I really liked it when I tried it there, and even now it's just softening up my hair really well. It has actually tamed my frizz really well, and it's very lightweight for how viscous this was. Really nice. Okay, hair looks great. Let me show you the rest of the things I picked up. Of course, I had to pick up the Nuxe Rêve de Miel. Nuxe is already here in India, but I don't know why they don't have the Rêve de Miel balm. They do have the Rêve de Miel lip balm, which is in the form of a twisted packaging, but they don't have this one, and I love this one. And I also picked up 2 pairs of this duo adhesive. I prefer this one, the green one. This is the brush on. So this is the finished look. This side definitely has more blush than this side, but actually I'm liking this side more, so I might add some more blush on this side. But yeah, this is the finished try-on haul. I also have these La Roche-Posay and Helios sunscreens that I picked up from Boots. This is the spray-on one, which had a buy one get one free, and the other one is already living in my bag. And then I have this Anthelios Dry Touch tinted one. I have tried this. It's not that great because I don't like the color on me. And I also stocked up on my Effaclar Duo Plus with SPF 30. I really like this, and I always make sure that I go and pick at least one up so I have them handy. It really keeps my acne in bay, and it's also a really nice treatment for acne whenever I have it, and it also has SPF so I can wear it in the day. And that's the entire haul. That's everything I picked up. I really hope that these products come to India soon and we get to try them and I don't have to travel to pick them up. But I really hope. I was actually really afraid of filming a haul. I didn't want to make anyone feel like they have to buy something watching my videos. I really don't want to do that. So buy according to your budget, and I hope you enjoy watching this haul nonetheless. And please subscribe if you want to watch more videos, and if you also want to check out my brand, I am going to link it down below. We have just launched our colorful liquid liners. You can go check that out. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.